How to customize checkout page in Shopify. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our browser and go to shopify.com. Sign into your Shopify account. Once signed in, go to the left-hand side of your Shopify and go to your online store. So here under the theme section, what we're going to do is to go to our current theme and customize it. So click on this customize button, and after which you will be routed to your customization page. Now here, what we're going to do is to check or look for our checkout page here in this drop down above. Basically, this is how our checkout page looks like for now. So here, what we're going to do is to go to our theme settings since we don't have our editing in our sections. So go to theme settings and simply slide down until you check or go to checkout page. Okay, now here in the checkout page, what we can edit or change or customize basically is the banner first. So here in the banner section, you can actually see it in the top corner of our Shopify checkout. So I have unselected our image for the background image. Now here under the logo, you can see where our logo is positioned. So if you click on the logo, it will basically put you or route you back to the homepage section. All right. Okay, there. Now here in the main content area, you can actually choose an image if you want to have a background image, or if you do want to have a background color, then you can actually not add an image. Here you could also see free images that you can make use of if you don't have an image right there in your files. Okay, now say for instance, I'm gonna make use of this one. All right, but it doesn't suit right on our checkout page basically. Now let's try to look for other options right here or other pictures that we can make use of. Always make sure to align your checkout page to the kind of design or the kind of shop that you have. For example, if you're an apparels shop, then you can make use of something related to apparels. If you're selling coffee or whatnot, then you should also align it to the same thing, which relates to coffee. All right. So here, let's take a look if we can see more images right here. Okay, say for instance, we're gonna make use of this one with a hanger. There. So basically, if you try to see or select on this image, it would not show the entire page, but only like a portion of it. So there. All right. So for the background color, it's not necessary if you're actually making use of a background image already. So yeah. Now here in the form fields, you can actually make it white or you can make it transparent as well. This will be shown in the checkout page or in the cart section before you return to your cart, basically. Now here you could also choose the focal point of your image. So which part or which area would you like to focus on the image to be shown on your checkout page? But basically it still shows the same thing. So let's leave it as is. If you want to remove the focal point as well, you can exit from that one. And yeah, make use of what you have right there once it showed up. All right. Now the next section that we go to is under our typography. So here you can actually change the font style of your heading and your body. So as you can see, if you click on another heading or another font, then it will change your heading. And there under body, you would also pick another body, and there we have changed our font style. Now here, We can also change the accents and the buttons as well in this section. Say for instance this one. And then let's have the buttons black. Now for the errors, let's have it blue. Okay, as you can see, it has changed to blue. Great. You could also customize your checkout settings by visiting the admin page. So let's visit the admin page right here. Let's open this in a new tab. And here we will be routed to our settings page under checkout. So here you can actually click on customize checkout if you would want to by clicking on that one. Also for the customer contact method, you can choose phone number or email. Now here you could show a link to download the shop app. Just tick on the necessary information that you would like to add or the radio buttons right there that you want to require or not. Okay. Now there's also like the tipping. So if you want to add or let your customers add some tip to your Shopify store, you could also add that one. Just customize that one as well. And here in the marketing options, you can actually opt to have email or SMS. For abandoned checkout emails, you can also send abandoned checkout emails automatically. Like for example, after 10 hours, 24 hours of making that certain order. You could also add some script and also change your checkout language. Well, for your checkout language, it actually changes the language to a specific another one aside from English, basically. So yeah. All right. Now going back to our checkout page, once you're done editing your checkout page, you can actually try to edit some parts of it by going to the color section. But this applies more onto the other pages of your Shopify app store, which is your homepage, your product section and other types of pages that you have in your Shopify app. Right. And that's how you would be able to actually customize your checkout page. So that's the easiest way. However, if you do have any knowledge on web page creation using API and whatnot, you can also opt to have your coding. Now let's click on save right here. And here, let's try to view it in our mobile. Okay, so this is how it looked like when we have it in a mobile view. Okay, and that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you find this video helpful and thank you so much for watching.